Activity 4. Speaking and Singing. Personal presentation. This is me. I am Andrea Vargas Rodriguez. I am 24 years old. I was born in Timanahuila. I am living in Naranjal. I study environmental engineer. I like to spend time with my niece, going to the movies, and finally I listen to music. The restaurant that I like to go is El Atajo Restaurant. The restaurant is located in Pitalito at Southern Office on the Pastrana Avenue 10 Sur 5 near the Chamber of Commerce and in front of Olympica Mall. It is a very small and very frequented place for people on weekends and holidays. Its specialty is grilled meat, accompanied potatoes, cassava, rice, chorizo, guacamole, chili, and lemonade drinks, soda, natural juice, food, heat, and drinks with alcohol. I also like the East because the food is very delicious, economical, the meat is soft, and it's a nice place to spend as family. And also festivity and celebrated as birthday. The restaurant attention is excellent, the waitress amability, and its employees in general. I invite all of you, my friends, to visit the municipality of Pitalito Huila because it's a wonderful and a charming place to have a nice time with the family. Thank you.